Okay, happy Monday, guys. Welcome back to yet again another video. So we're going to break down Palantir stock today, do an update on the charts as it is about halfway through the day right now when I'm making this video, and I want to go over some news that we just got and overall where I'm seeing Palantir going in the short term as we are down today, guys, as of now, about 5%. So if y'all find value, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Moomoo. The clock's ticking, guys. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Open up your account and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1%. APY. So guys, again, clock's ticking. Use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So guys, not the best start to the week, to Monday here for Palantir, as we are down, like I said, about 5%, $3.75. And guys, we were selling off from the pre-market through open up until now. I mean, this thing's been selling off all day. We started off the pre-market at about, what, 77, 77.50 in that ballpark. And then by open, we were at 75, 75.30. We popped a bit at open, back to about $78. Saw a little bit of a rally there. Big fake out. And then we dumped all the way down to $71. Talk about volatility, man, from $78 to $71 in the span of 45 minutes. I mean, that's a 9% drop for Palantir. Big drop there. And since that point, you know, we've consolidated a little bit. You guys can see on the 5-day, if I zoom in, you know, actually, wait, let me go back to the intraday. After that big sell-off, we popped, consolidated a bit, and now we're starting to fade back down. You know, the bulls as of now, guys, are nowhere to be found on the intraday. And here on the 5-day, you guys can see we're taking out the lows from Friday, which were about, what, 72.60. And now you guys can see we're pretty much at the lows from Thursday, being about $71. Then on Wednesday, we hit, what, $68 per share. So if we do slip under, it's possible. It looks like we might. If we slip under here, $71, guys, we might be filling this gap down to $68 per share. Let me set my alert now at $71. Mark is at or above. Or below, actually. Crap, hold on. Let me go back and adjust that here, guys. Smash that like button, by the way. Let's get at least, can we get 300 likes on this video? Is it possible? I think I did a challenge last week. We came a bit shy, so hit that like button. Let me do mark is at or below $71 per share. Create. And yeah, again, if we fall through there, which it might, we might fill the gap down to $68. And here on the 1-hour chart, guys, we can clearly see we're looking a bit toppy at about $80. You know, we hit $82 about a week ago. Then we dumped down. We held good, steady at about $68.70. That's a good sign. That's where we're at now. We're still holding above it. But then we tried rebounding back towards 80, and that didn't last long at all. I mean, look, we saw pump a little bit on Friday. We were near $80 today in the pre-market, and yeah, I mean, we dumped. So at this point, guys, we are in a bit of a pickle, right? You know, Palantir's making higher lows. I mean, don't get it twisted. We're still technically at a higher low right now. I know it's crazy. We're at about $72, holding the trend I just drew. You guys see the trend I just drew, but at the same time, we are making lower highs. Do you see here what I'm looking at? We are making lower highs. Pretty clear as day. We hit 82.70. We hit $78 today in the pre-market, Friday aftermarket, whatever. So what direction are we going to pick? That's the million-dollar question. Are we going to break under 71, go to 68, fall through 68 even, or do we rebound here run back mid-high 70s, and then break out of this wedge and start going back to 80 plus. What do you guys think? As of now, it looks like bulls are nowhere to be found on the intraday. Like I said, we're going to need to see a bit of a rebound here. I mean, I guess they are trying to fight and hold 71, 72, but if this thing falls through 71, that's where the bears might get the edge in the short term, and we might be going to 68. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys, about that, and let me break down the news right now with you guys that we got regarding Palantir and Red Cat. Let me show you this right here. So Palantir and Red Cat partner to integrate autonomous visual navigation in drones. Let's come down here a little bit. So Palantir has secured a deal with Red Cat, and I think their stock's moving like crazy right now. I'll show you guys after. They're on the NASDAQ. So Palantir has secured a deal with Red Cat to integrate its visual navigation and AI tech into the drone technology company's Black Widow drones, following Black Widow selection for the U.S. Army short-range, I can't even pronounce that, reconnaissance? I thought it said Renaissance for a second. We'll go with reconnaissance. Probably saying that wrong. But that's a program here, the U.S. Army, okay. So they were selected, or Black Widow was selected. Following that, this integration of Palantir's visual navigation software and use of its Warp Speed manufacturing OS will transform autonomous SUAS, small unmanned aircraft system, operations for modern warfare. Yeah, pretty cool there, guys. And Palantir's VN-AV software addresses the persistent problem of long-range inertial drift by comparing the drone's position against onboard up-to-date satellite imagery. Equipped with Palantir's visual navigation and AI, this is what Red Cat CEO said, the Black Widow would be among the most capable drones ever fielded by the Department of Defense, compact enough to fit in a rucksack, which, man, that's insane. It goes to show the power of those, drones there, guys. Pretty nuts. So, yeah, big deal there. Big piece of news from Red Cat, or with Red Cat and Palantir here, guys, which, let me show you. Let's go back to these charts. Let me show you Red Cat stock, which, again, it's RCAT, I think, right? Excuse me, guys. Yeah, it's up 16.5%. So obviously a deal like this, I mean, it's good for Palantir, good for Red Cat, but in terms of the stock, it's obviously helping Red Cat stock a lot more. At this point, Palantir is an $170 billion market cap. I'm assuming Red Cat's a lot less than that, so it's going to be much more influential on this company, the stock price in the short term, than Palantir's. For now, at least. We'll see. But it's up 17%. RCAT, man, this thing is really breaking out. Maybe it starts going 10, 11, 12, 13 again. Not guaranteed, obviously. I'm not in Red Cat stock, by the way, full disclosure. But it's interesting to see this deal. And the stock just keeps on climbing. I think earlier, yeah, it was up, oh my gosh, to almost $11. So at one point, man, it was up 30%. Now it's at 18%. Maybe we start filling that gap back to where we were this morning, guys. Potentially. Time will tell. But, yeah, that's a quick rundown here on the news. RCAT, Palantir, the charts. For me, guys, as for what I'm doing, I'm just holding on. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm thinking about maybe some call or option strategies in general. What are you guys doing options-wise for Palantir? Selling options, buying options, whatever. What are you guys doing? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious. Obviously, you could sell calls here. You could make some money there, some good money. But with a stock that's running up like Palantir, I don't know if I want to do that. I've considered it, but I'm like, it's been running up so much. Typically, when a stock's so bullish, selling covered calls might not be the best strategy because, sure, you'll make money on the premium, but your shares will get called away because the stock keeps running. So, I mean, if you're okay with getting your shares called away, you having to sell at a price, predetermined price, go ahead. But, I mean, I don't know. I've been like wrestling with the idea of what different strategies I can do here. I mean, obviously, we can do a video on that, but yeah, I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. We'll wrap it up there. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the email list. It's free. Check out the Patreon as well. That's not free, but there's a lot of value there, guys. I actually just posted a portfolio update today. That's linked down below. And don't forget to get your free stocks from Moo up to 15 stocks. Deposit at least $100, you get 5 stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. Man, I need some water. So use that link down below or go to stocks-surfest.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.